Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. We are here in Munich, Germany for the official launch of the Huawei Mate 30 series. We got our phone earlier and finally, we're going to give you our full unboxing experience. Alright, so this is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. What we got is the silver version with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. So let's proceed with our unboxing. So it comes in this black box, similar to the Mate 20 Pro, if you would remember that. We'll go and check out the phone later on. And what else do we have here? Right. We have a SIM ejector tool. There's no case here, but I hope that when they release the retail version, they will have include a case inside, hopefully. And apart from that, there is also a 40 watt supercharger, which is already included out of the box. You don't need to buy one anymore because it's already included inside it. And apart from that, there is also an earphone with a Type-C at the end. So yes, that confirms that this phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, similar to the Huawei P30 Pro. And lastly, we have a Type-C cable. That's pretty much everything inside the box. Now let's go and check out the phone. So this is the phone. Let's go open it up. All right. We have the screen right here. There are two depth sensing cameras and one selfie camera, specs of which are now displayed on screen. Now on the right side, we have the sleep and wake button. It does not have a volume button, or volume keys rather, because it's virtual. You double tap it and then it will appear, and then you can control it by sliding it up or sliding it down, or you can use the screen. Now at the bottom, we have a Type-C port. There's a speaker grills right over there, and we have a microphone for noise cancellation. And we have the SIM tray, which can accommodate up to 2 nano SIMs. At the top, we have a remote IR blaster and also a microphone for noise cancellation purposes. And at the back, we have the quad cam setup, details of which are now displayed on this side. We have LED flash on the left side of the device. One of the best features of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro is that it has two Cine cameras, where it allows you to take really good photos and really good videos. As you can see in the specifications, this one has a monster of camera set. And I'd like to show you some of the sample videos and photos that we've taken during our trip here in Munich, Germany.
Also vermutlich hebben moet van
Where are they?
So cool.
This place so beautiful. What have we been doing with our country? Alright, so we've pretty much set everything up. This smartphone is running on MUI 10 based on Android 10. And we've installed some of the applications that we like. The virtual buttons can also be worked up a little bit. They could probably increase a bit of the sensitivity, but to me it's a kind of responsive. You can double tap on the left side if you want to. So either you're a left or a right-handed person, you can basically control your smartphone anywhere you want. There is no, there's nothing at the bottom, so the volume keys are basically situated on the right or on the left side. And what else? If you go to camera, and if I switch this, you can see that there's a volume shutter key right here, and you can basically move that wherever you want. I haven't really gotten the chance to bring it somewhere else, like if I want to bring it to the other side like that, I don't know. I still have yet to learn that, but in the demo they actually said that it's possible, so at least. But I'm really hoping that they do the same thing if I'm taking a photo or video. When, for example, I'm on landscape mode, I hope that shutter, virtual shutter key would be available as well. There's no way I can find it here, but hope they bring that over. Okay, for video, of course, it is way better than usual. There's a dedicated camera for video taking purposes, and this one has hardware stabilization. And here's a sample video of how it works. Alright, so as you can see, the video was very stable, and I was walking up the stairs, and as if I was using a gimbal. That's really nice. And hopefully I'll get a chance to show you the difference of the video I took using the Huawei Mate 30 Pro versus the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And that's something that we can probably discuss in the future. That's it for our unboxing of the Huawei Mate 30 series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. If you're new to the channel, I would recommend that you guys click that subscribe button and that notification bell. We post videos almost every day of the week. And also, if you're watching this on Facebook, I would also recommend that you press that like or follow button. Again, this has been Gian, and see you soon on our next video.